this is Aditya. We are live on LinkedIn and YouTube. Let me quickly check. And in the meantime, if you can also let me know in comments that you can hear me loud and clear, you can see me absolutely fine. That would be super helpful. Just let me know in the comments. And in the meantime, I'm also checking it on my end. Okay. So I am checking it first on the YouTube channel. Okay, perfect. We are live on YouTube channel. My video is coming super blurred, so let me fix that. Um, Give me 1 second for this, and let me check on LinkedIn as well. Okay, so I am checking on LinkedIn, but guys, please let me know in the comment section that if you can see me, if you can hear me loud and clear, that would be very, very helpful. Okay, so I'm now checking on LinkedIn. Okay, perfect, perfect. So we are live on LinkedIn as well. Okay, thanks Supriya for letting me know. My camera is super blurred. Give me just a few minutes. Hi, Amit sir.
Hey, hi, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you now. Sir, just give me 2 minutes. Okay, let me change my camera. Okay.
Okay. Where I can see the comment section here.
I think you'll need to go. Yeah, there is. I don't think we get comment section. So, guys, we are trying a new platform today for live streaming. It's called Riverside. So we are just figuring out a few things here, but we are going to learn AI agents today. Please bear with us, and we will fix things really, really quick.
Chat, I can't. I'm not able to see.
You'll need to look. I think find it on LinkedIn and YouTube directly. I
Okay,
guess.
got it.
Okay, I can see we have a few people live on YouTube. We have people live on LinkedIn as well. Guys, thank you so much for joining. We'll take a few minutes to get started. And in the meantime, if you can quickly let us know where you're dialing in from, that would be super helpful. And make sure to like the event as well as if you can repost it really quick so that others can also join, that would also be great. Okay, and I will quickly fix my camera. Okay, that's give me 1 minute for that. Let me see. I'll add my continuity camera from my phone. Okay, it should be by default. It's not picking up somehow.
Mine is clear.
Yeah, yours is clear. Yours is clear. I'm just trying to figure out how to fix my camera and why it's not picking up the right one. Okay, everyone, and please raise your hand those who were part of the last session as well. Okay, so that we know. Okay, Amit sir, you can take it for some time and let me.
I'm trying to just find out the chat because I'm not able to see here any chat. So let me.
Also, sir, you may have opened Riverside in some other tabs as well. Maybe it is open in the multiple tabs for you. Da-da-da-da. Studio chat is over here, but we want to see actually. Sorry, guys, I was sick for the last few days. That's why I could
Okay,
not attend the last event as well. But we'll cover
okay.
something really, really interesting today. Yeah, so you can take it. Let me see how we can
So
push it.
now I can see the comment section.
Guys, you'll have to see me blurred today. I guess there is some issue that I'm unable to figure out. So you'll have to see me blurred. and we'll figure out the next time what went wrong with this new platform.
Riverside took your HD quality to next level.
And yeah, we switched to Riverside because it streams in HD basically. But somehow something is wrong with this tool, I guess. Let me see.
Hey,
Let
thank
me.
you, Gaurav. Thank you, join for joining in. Hi, Pawan. Uh, Nikunj is here. Nikunj was there in the last session also. Thank you, Nikunj, for joining in. And I can see Vinay also here. Uh, so thank you guys for joining on this movement, this new mission which we have created called AI for everyone. Gaurav is commenting rainy and foggy in your area. Now your image is clear. Mine image or Adit's image? Adit is still blurry, I would say. Okay. So guys, if you can just let me know in the comment section that what job you are doing right now. Are you working somewhere? In what capacity? In what role you are working? And one question which was very interesting in the last session, and I would like to ask. Manohar says that he also joined the last session. Thank you, Manohar, for joining it again. Uh, so anybody who missed our last session, most probably will be posting that video on the YouTube also, but it is available on LinkedIn also. So that was also a very interesting session uh, where I guess you are able to hear me, right? I think you are able to hear me, right? You are on mute. I guess I was in the last session. Thank you, Sayed. Thank you for joining it again. So, guys, we what our objective here is that what is our plan over here is that we are planning to do kind of an AI movement, and basically we are planning to do uh, learning sessions on AI, and this will cover both AI tools as well as AI agents. And every week we are planning to have two sessions, one on AI tools and one on AI agents. So in the last session we did it on AI tools, where we worked on the Google Vibe coding tool, which is the new tool which Google has introduced, and we built we took a problem and we solved that problem in that session. And in today's session also we'll be doing AI agents. So so guys, if you can just let me know one thing, that on a scale of 10, how much AI you are using right now? Like if you are using too much, you can let me know by writing like 8, 9, maybe 10. And if you are using less, then you can write most probably that you are using it for 1, 2, or 3. So how much AI you are using? And apart from ChatGPT or maybe Perplexity or Gemini, what other tools you are using for your for boosting your productivity, or maybe in your job, or maybe in your role? So if you can let me know these two questions answer. What is the rating out of 10 of your usage of AI? And second is what other tools apart from, yeah, it is much clear now, Aditya, on the other side.
One second, one second. Let me just leave from here.
So Sayed is saying that he is working in the business and operations manager in MB, and
Can you hear me now, Amit sir?
yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
And
Sorry,
the
guys. Lot of
it's
struggle on
clear.
my end today for related to camera, but this is we are doing this first time, and actually it is very rainy and foggy here in the Bay Area. So it was just not my camera.
Okay,
Okay.
so I can see here Sayed is saying that he's using 10 out of 10 AI. Yeah, okay, so you're working in digital marketing, so I guess digital marketing has a lot of scope of using AI. Gaurav says he's using one. So Gaurav, I hope that from these sessions you will definitely going to use a lot.
Yep.
Pawan is saying that he's using 6 out of 10, but not using modern AI tools. Completely understandable. The reason here is that every day there are hundreds of tools being launched. It is very difficult to identify what tools to use and what not to use. And I have personally gone through that same situation. And every day, like whenever I get time, I keep on testing new tools to just figure it out that whether that tool can be part of my daily routine or not. Okay, Pawan says that he is using Microsoft Power Platform and Azure. Okay, and Gaurav says only ChatGPT he's using, not any other tool. So Gaurav, there are a lot of very good tools available, um, and which can do like end-to-end work. And we are going to cover a lot of those tools in these sessions. Okay, Vinay says that he is using 5 out of 10, and Supriya says that she is mostly using Perplexity and other like some Chat GPT. And what is your experience with AI agents, guys? Have you built any AI agent, or have you gone through or understood the different platforms we have for AI agents? Do you understand the concept of AI agent? That's the like very important question. Adil says that he is using N10 and Gemini and AI Studio and Hagen. I guess I have used all of them, most of them. Today we are also going to use one of them. So I guess, yeah, thank you, Gaurav. Thank you. So I guess this is very important. I can see one comment from Abhishek who says that I am into operations and my AI usage is 4 out of 10. I am only using right now ChatGPT and Copilot. I guess this is one of the common problem right now with most of the people. These most of the people are using ChatGPT in their daily usage, and they are not knowing uh, the other tools which might be super useful. Rekha says,
Yep.
are there free sessions? No, Rekha, these are completely free sessions, and these are the series. This is a movement which we have started called AI for Everyone. We have a YouTube channel. We want to go to 100K in next 4 months. So if you are here, you can simply subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have already posted some content, and we'll be keep posting some content on our YouTube channel.
Okay. So, guys, thanks again for joining today. Now, I think we are all set to get started. Amit sir, you can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, perfect. So, guys, as Dr. Amit covered AI tool in Tuesday's session, I am going to cover AI agent in today's session. And the purpose of this session is every Tuesday and Thursday, we are going to provide a very high quality education in AI to keep you afloat, right? To educate 100,000 users in the next 4 months. We're fully committed to it, and so we will be there on every Tuesday and Thursday. Moving forward, we want you to be a part of it, right? And we want to make it super easy and useful for everyone, right? Because we realize that not every time we will be able to communicate that, oh, this is the link or this is the event link for Tuesday and Thursday session. So let me make a few things really easy for you, first of all. Okay. And then we are going to get started on today's session. So we'll take just probably 5 minutes, okay, to cover everything. And then we will directly jump into it. So I'll share my screen really quick. Screen and then this. Okay. Amit sir, can you see the
Yeah,
Chrome
I can
screen
see the
now?
screen. I can see your
Chrome
screen.
screen? Okay, perfect. So, guys, we created a YouTube channel called AI for Everyone. Okay. And in this YouTube channel, uh, we are tracking these 10,000, 100,000 people that we want to help with AI upskilling, and definitely we'll be putting a lot of good content. But moving forward, we are going to conduct all the live sessions on this YouTube channel because it makes a job easier for us. And for you also, you can simply come on YouTube and search for AI for Everyone Aditya. Just search this one, and every time you search for it and you come to the channel, you will be able to see the live going on under the live section over here. Okay, and because I'm already in my channel, otherwise you'll be able to see the live session going on every Tuesday and Thursday at 9:30 a.m. Pacific time, 12:30 p.m. Eastern time. If you are in India, this is 11 p.m. Indian time. Okay, so anyone that you want, any of your friend, colleague that you want them to be a part of this movement, that they also get upskilled in AI, simply ask them to come and subscribe to this channel, and every Tuesday and Thursday they can come here and join this live session. Okay. We'll keep it no bullshit, really quick, very high quality education. I'm sitting here in San Francisco Bay Area. Dr. Amit is sitting in Canada. We are in touch with some of the most prominent leaders, founders, and CEO of top AI companies. I also I've started a podcast event as well, where here in my office in Mountain View, we invite CEO of top AI companies here in the US, and we interview them. Okay, how they build this company, what technology they are using, what skills they are looking for people. So you can also find very high quality podcasts. So for example, this guy, his name is Joseph Cross, founder of Radical AI. They've raised $55 million in seed round for their company. Similarly, this guy is Krish Ramineni. He's founder of Fireflies.ai, and Fireflies has reached 1 billion valuation for building their AI platform, which is a AI meeting transcription platform. Okay, so anyone in your network, please make them join this AI movement. We will work with you day in and day out every week, and let's make a community of 100,000 AI learners. The objective is we'll do a community driven learning. We will find people who's willing to learn with us and who's willing to support and mentors others. Okay. Now, Amit sir, anything else you want to cover before we get started on today's topic?
Uh, no, I guess we are good. We can start.
They're good. Okay, cool. Also, really quick, I those who are not probably connected to this particular channel at the moment, let me share the link in the chat box. You can simply subscribe so that every time we go live on Tuesday and Thursday, you do not miss any of those notifications. So I'll simply share that in the chat box with you on LinkedIn as well as YouTube. I'll share it both the places. Okay, and then uh, sorry, it's just the two. Okay, so this is YouTube channel for all live session on Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, and I will add the same on our YouTube live as well under comments. Make sure to subscribe for all future live sessions on Tuesday and Thursday at 9:30 a.m. EST. Okay, so let's get started on AI agents today. Okay, guys, so before we get started, I would love to know what is your understanding in AI agents at this moment. So you tell me, uh, how much do you know about AI agents? How much you know about? How many of you have ever built or used an AI agent? Simply say I have or I have not. Okay, just let me know in the comments so that we get to know, and then we'll get started. I want to make sure that we are, we teach you at the right level. Just let me know in the comments that if you have ever used AI agents, if you have any idea about AI agents, how many of you? So just say I have used or I have not used. That much would be good enough. Okay, I'll quickly check comments. I haven't. Okay, Supriya says I haven't. Manish says I haven't. Okay. And let's see on LinkedIn. I have not received any comments on LinkedIn yet. Guys, let me know your understanding in building or using AI agents. If you have, just say I have. If you have not, just say I have not, so that I'll cover the details. Uh, Pawan says I have. Kashmira says I have. Okay, others I have not. Amitav, Adil, okay, I have. Jessica said I have limited knowledge of them. Okay, cool. I did using N10 for the first from your first session. Okay, cool. Neha says I know the logic but not created. Okay, I've not used. Second thought, I think I've used them for recruiting. Okay, cool. Chris says created and used. Okay, perfect. By the way, guys, Chris is my former colleague at Fox Studios. We worked together at Fox. I was with Deloitte. Chris was with Fox, and great guy, super technical. Okay, so good to see you, Chris, here. Okay, Sayed is I have not built AI agent. Evan Gelo says I have not, but I've been watching okay tutorials. Cool. So most of the people they have not used it much. So we can cover a little bit of the background on what are AI agents, right? How to get started with them. I think probably that would help a lot of people. Okay, cool. So I will share my screen again and we can get started from there. So let me share my screen. Now, Amit sir, can you confirm if you can see my screen?
Yeah, it is coming up. Now I can see that.
Okay, perfect, perfect. So, those who are new, let me tell you that an AI agent. So, I think a good way is by adding and showing you an AI agent. Okay. So, let's see. So, suppose this is an AI agent. Okay. So, the name is also coming up as an AI agent. What is an AI agent? AI agent is someone who can perform a task exactly like human, but have no limitations of, okay, I can only work for 6 hours or 7 hours or 8 hours. AI agents is simply a machine that can run 24/7, and it is built keeping in mind that it should work like a human. Okay, so when an AI agent is another software which work like human, so it needs to have a brain like humans have brain. So AI agent is provided with a brain. What is a brain? It is a chat model or a large language model, right? So when you create an AI agent, you need to provide it a brain. So what is a brain? Any chat model or a large language model, say OpenAI's chat model. Okay, so you simply provide a brain to an AI agent and you add it. Okay, so that AI agent can understand different things. It can make decisions, right? It can complete different tasks. Second thing that every human has is memory. Okay, so AI agent is also given a memory so that it can remember things. It can remember all the conversation. It can remember what happened and what needs to be done next. It does not ask you, okay, what did you ask me to do yesterday? Okay, so it is provided with a memory. So there are a lot of memories solutions provided in the market. So we have provided a memory to an AI agent. Now, AI agent, again, I've said that it is built keeping in mind that it should work like a human. Okay, so when it works like a human, it should have ability to do different tasks. For example, when you go to uh, ChatGPT and you say that, hey, draft an email for me, it drafts a beautiful email for you. But if you say that, hey, send this email to my boss or to my colleague, ChatGPT won't be able to send an email for you. Why? Because it does not have access to your Gmail, your Outlook, or your email service provider, right? That means, but if you ask a human, your personal assistant, that, hey, draft an email and send it to my
Uh,
boss.
Aditya,
Yeah,
people are not able to see your screen shares. I can see that, but I can see in
you
the
can
comment
see that.
section they are writing uh,
Hmm.
that
They're not able to see the screen.
cannot see your screen share. Yeah, I can see it in the river side. I can see that, but yes, it is not coming up on the LinkedIn live. It is not coming up.
Okay. I think Amit sir, we got disconnected or something.
Uh,
Is
I
it
don't
still
know.
live on? Oh no, it
It is
got
still live.
disconnected. I
Still
guess.
live
Still
on.
live.
Yeah, it is still live on LinkedIn right now. I am only on the screen. Like I maybe the timer
Mm-hmm.
I can see on LinkedIn.
Okay, let me see. Guys, can you still see and hear us? If you can confirm. One second. What's the issue? I think we are again now. You want to leave the session?
Yeah, screen share not visible. Yeah, we are still live, Adit.
You're still live, guys. Just give me 1 second. Let me fix it. What went wrong? Okay, and we'll fix the issue. Don't worry about that.
And sorry, guys, we are also testing a new tool today, so that is the reason why. Um,
Yep, yep. Okay, I can see.
I guess people are able to see us, but it was they were not able to see the your screen. Yeah, so he's clearly saying that I we can see both of you, but not the screen. But today's screen is more important. So
Okay, I think we should be live again. We should be live again. Okay. And let me share my screen again, guys, and let me know if you are able to. Amit, sir, are you able to see my screen now,
yeah,
guys? If you
on
can,
the
if
Riverside,
somebody
I
can.
can see that. I it will still to come on the LinkedIn. So I'm checking on the LinkedIn part. Once it comes on the LinkedIn, I'll let you know.
Guys, if you can let me know really quick on LinkedIn and on YouTube that if you can see my screen, if
Uh,
you can see this N10 screen, this AI agent, that would be super helpful. Are you able to hear us loud and clear?
Still, screen is not coming on LinkedIn, Aditya.
I can see both.
Now it came
Okay,
in.
not
Yes.
sure what is
No,
going
no, no.
on.
Now it came in.
Okay,
Now it is
okay,
visible.
okay. So it's
It is
up and
visible
running
now.
now, guys.
Yes.
If a if few people can also confirm that my screen is visible, okay, that would be super helpful. Yeah, now I can also see that. Yep, screen is coming. Perfect, perfect. So guys, let's get started again.
Okay.
Sorry for the hiccup. We
Great,
are
great, great.
trying a new platform. Okay. So look, so we were talking about AI agents, right? So first of all, before we start building an AI agent, let's understand what is an AI agent, right? So AI agents were built keeping in mind that okay, we need machine that can work like humans, so they need to have brain, they need to have a memory, and they need to have different tools so that they can take different actions, right? So as I was giving you an example that if you go on ChatGPT and if you ask ChatGPT to draft a very nice email that you can send out, it will draft an email for you. But if you ask ChatGPT that, hey, can you send this email to my boss? ChatGPT won't be able to send you, right? But that is the power of AI agent. AI agent has memory, has brain, which is any large language model like OpenAI's ChatGPT. It has memory so that it can remember what it did yesterday or day before yesterday and what it needs to do tomorrow. So it has memory just like humans. And any AI agent also have access to different tools so that it can send an email on your behalf or do multiple actions. Like there are AI agents available that can go on Amazon and order a grocery for you, right? That can go on different movie ticket booking platform and book a movie ticket for you, right? So AI agent has access to different tools just like human. Okay, so for example, if I have to add a tool over here, I'll simply search for Gmail. Okay, so Gmail is one tool. Now I have added Gmail over here. So as you can see now, an AI agent has access to brain, memory, and tool. It can understand what needs to be done with a particular information. It can remember what information was provided 5 minutes ago, 5 hours ago, 5 days ago, or 5 months ago, and it has access to multiple tools so that it can take those actions on your behalf. And that's why AI agent is are considered future of all the AI application. There are a lot of companies across the Bay Area and across the world that are just building different kind of AI agents. Somebody is building an AI agent to manage your entire email, to manage your entire calendar, to uh, do the role of a data analyst, business analyst, project manager, sales manager, marketing person, recruitment person. I mean, anything and everything that you can imagine, anything that a human is doing right now, companies are building those AI agents so that they can either provide those AI agents to human and make them more productive, or they can maybe completely replace humans. Okay, so which is also good or a bad thing, but we should not worry about okay that we will get replaced. Rather than we should learn, okay, here is how I can build AI agents. So when you go to different companies or interviews or whatever role that you're doing right now, maybe you are in a job right now, you will be able to automate your work, make it 10x more faster. Okay, so that is an AI agent. Now there are multiple platforms that helps you build AI agents. There are platforms like langchain. Okay, langchain helps you build AI agents, but you need to know Python programming to build an AI agent using langchain. Okay, it's a very famous platform, mostly used for enterprise AI agents. You can always go to langchain. So those of you who come from a computer science background, data science, machine learning background, you can go to langchain and try building an AI agent using Python or JavaScript. Okay, but suppose if you do not come from a coding background or computer science or data science background, and maybe you are sales, marketing, HR, you are a data analyst, you are a business analyst, you are a project manager, you are a scrum master, you are a product manager, then there is a platform called N8N that helps you build AI agent using absolutely no code. It's a drag and drop that you can utilize to build an AI agent. Okay. Now, to build an AI agent on N8N, you simply create your account by clicking on Get Started and create your account just like you create an account on Instagram, Facebook, right, or YouTube. Once your account is created, you will land on a screen that looks something like this. Okay, so this is my N8N account where I've built a lot of AI agents that perform multiple tasks for me. Okay, and in all our future sessions, guys, we are going to build very useful real world AI agents that are currently being used by companies expect you to have that skill to build AI agents and automate work. So we'll start with one AI agent today and we'll keep on building AI agents even more complex. There are so many concepts that you need to know. So we'll cover all those things in all future sessions, right? That's why it's important that okay, just this session is not going to make you an expert in AI agent, but as you continue working and learning with us, be a part of the community. I mean, you will be able to create really complex AI agents after that. Okay. Now let me take a quick look at the comments. If there is anything else, let me quickly check. I just don't want to miss any of the comments. Okay, please maximize screen. Okay, guys, can someone please let me know that you're able to see? I think I can see it on my LinkedIn. Everything all up and running. Very cool. Perfect. So let's go back to N8. Amit sir, can you quickly confirm if you can see everything perfect? Okay, I think Amit sir is on mute, but we can get started. Cool. So once you create your account on N8N to build an AI agent, guys, if you're doing it for the first time, right? First of all, understand to build any AI agent, you are going to utilize this button called Create Workflow. Okay. When you click on it, you land on a blank canvas which looks like this. On this canvas, you can build an AI agent for anything. Now, to build it, we need different components, right? To add any component or any node, simply click on this plus button. A window opens on the right hand side and you start adding different things. For example, if you want to add an AI agent to the screen, simply search AI agent, click on it. You'll need to do some configuration changes over here. Click on back to canvas on the top left of the screen, and this particular node is added, right? Similarly, if you want to add, say, an input through Telegram, simply click on this plus button, search for Telegram, you can add it. You want to add an input through WhatsApp, simply click on this, search for WhatsApp, you can add it. So my point is that different nodes, different components on the screen can be added using this plus button. Let me show you a fully functioning AI agent that I always use, right? So this is my AI agent called Super Assistant, which manages my which manages my email and calendar. Okay. So as you can see, it may look really complex. It's a very beautiful AI agent, as you can see over here. Amit sir, there is some background noise on your end. You can probably put on mute. Yes. So,
Wait, I'll do that.
da, 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 da. Okay. So this is an AI agent, guys. If you look at it, and this AI agent is doing multiple. Uh, Give me one. And yeah. So look, this is an AI agent. It might look really complex to you. And again, you don't need to learn it everything today. Okay. Because then that would be a wrong expectation. It took me a few months to be able to build this AI agent, but you can always start. Now, let me tell you what this AI agent does. This AI agent is constantly monitoring my calendar and it is constantly monitoring my email inbox, and it perform different tasks as I give command to it using Telegram. So on my Telegram, I tell it to probably find an email that I received this morning. It does that. On my Telegram, I ask, can you schedule a meeting for tomorrow 2 p.m. at with my team members John and Devraj? It does that. So I don't need to go into my email to reply to emails, to read emails, to create a meeting event for tomorrow. Everything is done using Telegram. You can do it using WhatsApp, using different voice methods as well. That is the power of an AI agent, and this AI agent is being widely used in the industry now. Okay, let me also show you how it works. So I go to my Telegram, and on my Telegram, it's loading slowly. You can simply go to web.telegram.org, or you can have a Telegram mobile app as well. And I will go to there are a lot of those. Let me add this one. This is my super assistant. I give my command over here. As you can see, look, I give a voice command. So let me play something that I provided previously, okay? So you can hear.
Aditya, there is a lot of lag on LinkedIn screen sharing.
There's a lag with the
Yeah,
voice as well.
voice is well. Voice is not a problem. I guess is the screen is lagging a lot. It is getting blurry
Mm-hmm.
at
Okay,
times.
okay, maybe uh, Riverside is not doing a great job.
Yes,
Okay,
true,
no,
true.
I think it is coming up. Let's see. Let me check on LinkedIn if it's coming up or not. Okay, no, it's coming up. Coming up. I just refreshed it, so
Okay,
let's see.
okay,
So,
okay.
guys, let me show you how it works on my Telegram. Okay. So, for example, I provided a command on my Telegram. So, so I provided this instruction through voice through my Telegram, and here the output. Now, so it scheduled the meeting, and then I asked it, can you tell me the meeting scheduled on my calendar for Tuesday? And when I gave the text command, it gave me the text output. When I provided the voice command, it provided me the voice output. Okay. So this is the power of an AI agent, that now I'm not going to my email and responding or calendar and taking care of it. Everything is taken care while I'm driving to my office just through my voice. This is one very simple example of an AI agent. Now, I also like the Amit sir may have mentioned in the last event that, guys, we are not going to teach AI agents or AI tools just for the sake of learning, because that happens in colleges and universities that provide you degree. But the real value is when you can implement it either to get a job or to start your own business, to get a real value out of it, right? So everything that we are going to teach has a real business value. And let me show you this exact AI agent is created by this company called Fixer.ai. Okay, you can go on it and you can check it later, but it is actually, they have created an AI agent that manages your entire calendar and email. You can look into this as well. And Fixer has raised a total funding of $40 million in just 1 year. Fixer has raised a total of $40 million in 2025. Okay. And they don't do anything, but they have literally built this particular AI agent and provided it a very good UI. That's all they have done. That's all they have done. So, I'm not saying that, okay, anyone can build it and raise $40 million, but my point is that this is the power of AI agent. This is the demand in the VC world, in the business world, in the job world, that AI agents can help you automate any of your task. It can help you get promotion. It can help you start career as an AI consultant, do your current job much better. And if you want to start a business and make money on it, not even as a full time but as a part time entrepreneur, literally create it and you can make money from it. And we are going to teach you the entire process, even how to build the UI. Like in 1 hour it is not possible, but in future sessions we are going to do that. Now for this particular AI agent, okay, let me show you how it is working. Okay, so first thing is input is going through Telegram. Okay, so we have added a Telegram node. Input goes through here. Now input can go in two different ways. I can give a voice input, I can give a text input. Okay, that I can say, oh, schedule a meeting either as a voice or I can type it. If I provide a audio input, it goes through this route and there is a node called switch. I have created two routes here. One is for the audio input, one is for the text input. If it is an audio input, it goes through this node which actually download the audio file from Telegram into Anytin. Okay, so it is downloading the audio file. Next thing what it is doing, that after downloading this file from Telegram, it is transcribing that audio file using OpenAI ChatGPT. Okay, and this node is directly available. You can search for OpenAI, click on OpenAI and generate audio. Okay, can you see this particular node? This node will help you uh, convert any audio that you send into the text one over here. Okay, now, let me go back. Yeah, so the audio that you sent went through this route, downloaded it in the system, converted into text. That text goes into the AI agent. The AI agent has two things, user prompt and system prompt. It is given instruction that, hey, whenever you receive a question about Gmail, you need to trigger the Gmail subagent. Whenever you get a question about or any task related to calendar, you have a calendar subagent. Okay, so AI agent trigger one of the suitable AI subagents accordingly. Okay, and when an AI agent get a response from either the Gmail subagent or the calendar subagent, that output goes through the if node. Okay, and if there was an audio input, the output of the AI agent flows through this route and appear as an audio on the Telegram. But if the input was a text, then the output of the AI agent goes through the if route and appear as a text on the Telegram. Okay, this is how this particular AI agent is working. Okay, now Amit sir, how deep you want me to jump into this, because we have like 15 minutes left in this session and I think there's a lot that can be covered. But
Uh,
guys, yeah.
what I can understand right now from the comment section that a lot of people are new to this AI agents, and that's the reason why I would like recommend you to explain them about the environment first, because the environment is also not familiar to people, right? The nodes, environment, and you have given a good overview about it, and what could be the possible applications which people can build on it. What are the different nodes they have used on it, so that people can go and try it out.
Yes, I think that's a very good idea because, guys, I can jump into each and every node and it will take like 2 to 3 hours, right? But we want to go slow. We want, first of all, it is very important that you understand how to add each and every node. So, here is the task for all of you today. Go to na10.io, and by the way, we are not sponsored by na10, right? So it is just the platform that we really like. In future, if there is a better platform that comes up to build AI agent using absolutely zero code, we are going to recommend that as well. Okay, so here is how you can get started. Okay, and let's take baby steps. Okay, let's not try to become an AI expert just for today. Okay, go to anytime.io, create your account. Once you create your free account, create your first AI agent by clicking on create workflow. Okay, and on our YouTube channel, let me show it to you on our YouTube channel. On our YouTube channel, go here and I'll send this link to all of you, and I'll also put it in the comments right now. I have created two videos that is going to help you a lot. Okay. So first is this video, which is get started with AI agents, where I've explained all the fundamentals of AI agent, what I showed you, but even in a little bit more detail. Check out this video so that you get started in it. And then the second thing, this entire Gmail and the calendar agent I have explained in this particular video. So if you are like, okay, I want to build this entire AI agent from step one by one, you can follow this entire video and build it for yourself. And in the next session, we are going to take all the questions, right? And we'll cover a few more things. But these two videos are super important to help you just get started, right? And there is one more video that I created with very, very fundamental knowledge. One second, let me share that one as with you. Your first AI agent. Okay, for those who are absolutely new, those who don't know even how to add a single node, I have created a video where I added a node by node to show how you can create your very first AI agent, and at the end you'll be able to create a very simple AI agent. Okay, I would recommend you to go ahead with this one. Okay, instead of directly jumping into and creating this complex uh, end-to-end AI agent. Okay, so let me share the link of both the videos with all of you here in the chat box so that you can get started. Okay, so let me write it as homework. First, build your very first simple agent. Amit, sir, do you think that this is the right approach?
Yes, I guess because I can see that a lot of people are not familiar with right now with AI agents also and with N10 also. So I guess starting from very basic level would be great, and that's what the goal is, right? When we are not here to just teach people who are already good at AI. We are here so that anybody who is at one level or maybe at zero level right now, they also feel skilled with few sessions coming up.
Okay, guys, so I have added both the videos in chat box of LinkedIn. Let me add both the video links in the chat box of YouTube as well, those who are on YouTube. Oops, so I think I did it mistakenly again. But here is how you can get started. And guys, any questions, put that in the comments and we'll take those questions. Okay, and no question is idiot question or anything. You can ask, feel free to ask anything. Okay, just adding all the links at one place so that everybody knows. And also let me know, guys, if this session was any helpful. Okay, so build your very first AI agent. I've added it here, and the second one is the fundamental of AI agents. That is also going to help you a lot. Okay, guys, it took us almost 6 to 8 months to, and when we come from a technical background, to master AI agents. Once you get started, Give yourself 2 to 3 months of learning time, and then you'll be in a pretty good shape. Okay, let's take questions. So first, guys, any was it helpful or not? Because I can see we have almost everyone who started with us at the beginning of the session. We have all the 50 people on both the different platforms. How did you compare if whether the input is audio or text? That's a good question. Let me share my screen and I can explain you. Although that is a little bit of details, but we can go through that. If the input is audio or text. So, when you send an audio file through Telegram, okay? Let me see if I can show you some of the previous examples under execution. Nothing is coming up. Okay. When you send an audio file through a Telegram, every audio file has something called file ID. Okay. So when you send an audio file, there will be a field called voice file ID. So what I'm doing here, I'm adding that if the voice file ID is present, then send the input through the audio route. But if voice file ID is not present, but the text is present, then send it through the text route. So basically, when input comes from here, this node checks whether the voice file ID is available or the text is available, and based on that, it routes audio through this route or that route. Okay, the same concept is being used at the if node. At if node, it checks whether the voice file ID is available or not. If the voice file ID is available, then it sends the output through this route so that the audio output can be generated. If the voice file ID is not available, then audio output is sent through this route. Okay. And I created a very detailed video on the use of if node. It's a very, very important node. Okay. So when you go to the channel and I think I added master the if node. I just added it 5 days ago. Okay. So in this, I've clearly explained how if node is being used. Okay. Any other question, guys? Any apart from this? Anything else? Let's check some of the comments. Great example. Okay, if condition little bit more in detail. So Pawan, if condition I've already mentioned. Do check out that video. Okay, will be stuck always with N10 or can we take this workflow and put it on our own infrastructure? Will all infra will be required? Amit, great question. You do not need to get stay stuck with N10 all the time. You can host the entire N10 on your own server as well, which I can cover in one of the session. It is not very difficult. So for example, you can take a server on Hetzner or GoDaddy and you can host the entire N10 over there and you won't need to pay like the cloud monthly cost of N10 as well. Okay. So it is absolutely doable and it's a very simple process I can cover in one of the sessions. Okay, quick questions. How do you compare here? We have already taken this question. Okay, any other question, guys? What is the job of simple memory? The job of simple memory is to remember things. So, for example, in this particular AI agent, if I ask my AI agent that, hey, can you schedule a meeting for tomorrow at 2 p.m.? And once this meeting is created by the agent, if I say, oh no, in the meeting that you created, add Amit in the invitee list as well. Simple memory will help AI agent remember that, okay, I created an event or a meeting just now and I need to make changes to that event only. If you don't provide simple memory, the AI agent will come back to you and say, which meeting are you talking about? And then you'll have to give the entire context again. Okay. What is the next one? Would you say you have to give AI agent a brain, library, and tool for action? Absolutely. You exactly need to do that. Okay. Okay, guys. So we are reaching at the top of the hour. If you guys, I and again, guys, we need your help to make this community of 100,000 people. Please invite your friends to the YouTube channel. Ask them to subscribe. Ask them to join these live sessions. Come up with their questions. And if you can literally post about this session on LinkedIn, and there is only one hashtag that you always need to add, hashtag AI for everyone.
Yes, that's
Okay,
the idea.
just add hashtag AI for everyone. You can tag Dr. Amit, you can tag myself, and this will help you. This will help all of us, first of all, to build this community and make more people aware. Because more people we include, the more ideas we are going to get. At the same time, we will also get more and more people who have like even more deeper knowledge of AI. We'll be able to have more mentors, because not, Amit and I, we won't be able to like answer all of your queries, right, or help you at very small steps. But suppose
And
if this is a community of 100,000 people and we have 20 people who are really really good in AI, these people can act as a moderator, mentor, will connect with a lot of people, will be able to conduct more of such sessions, right, with very very expert people. So that's the benefit. And second, which Amit sir you mentioned this morning, which is super important, like for people to like really post on LinkedIn and make themselves visible.
And one thing which I would like to add here that look, even if we reach out to top of the industry people in AI, right? They will only be interested in collaborating with us when we also have some audience, right? So we
Yep.
need to have some audience. Otherwise, uh, like Aditya connect with so many CEOs. He met CEOs of Otter, he met the CEO of Firefox, he did a podcast with them, right? So we wanted to
Yep.
invite those people to these live sessions and they can share the live like idea that how they have implemented AI in their own company, right? And that can only be possible when we have good number of following and people, we can show them that hey, we have a learning community, learners community who are really interested to learn, right? So that is the reason why I would highly recommend you to kindly subscribe also and share it with other people also. It's absolutely free. You don't We are not charging anything for all these sessions, and we will be teaching you a lot of good stuff. Okay.
Okay, let me give one more homework to everyone. And guys, this community is for those who really want to grow with AI. And AI is running so fast that you cannot be like, okay, I've done four things and I'm done. This is a continuous learning, right? And you have to be a part of continuous learning. Post on LinkedIn, write a very simple post. Hey, this morning I started learning AI agents using N10, uh, and I'll be doing XYZ things, right? Write about that, tag myself and Dr. Amit, and I will provide you the system prompt and the user prompt that is required to build this AI agent to manage your calendar and email. And as you can already see, the Fixer has raised $40 million for exact same AI agent, exactly the same AI agent. So make sure to post it.
Okay, any other question?
Any other question? And guys, let's make this community like the most viral thing in AI, the most resourceful thing in AI. And feel free to share your ideas. This community is not owned by anybody, guys. It's not owned by Dr. Amit. It's not owned by me. This is a community where we want to bring in the highest value people.
Okay.
Myself and
uh, Here is a question coming up. He's saying that N10 is not allowed in organization. Can we have a AI agent built through Copilot? We'll do it. I have noted it. We'll do it. I built one through ChatGPT also, and that video is available on YouTube as well. Okay, and will do one session on Copilot. How we can build agent on Copilot. That's not a big deal.
Uh, in Weirdo case, how living in Silicon Valley has changed your perspective on AI? Is it going to change it in the near future? I mean, one thing I can tell you, I've lived in like various cities in the US, in New York, in Chicago, in Texas, in Miami for about 2 years. There is no place in the world like Silicon Valley if you are interested in AI. So many smart engineers, developers working on like, anything latest that comes in AI, any innovation. Hundreds of people are working over here. They're talking about things in AI which we have not even heard in major media or mainstream media. So absolutely amazing place. One very very good thing about being in this area is access of people. you know I was able to invite CEO of a $1 billion company, CEO of Otter. Tomorrow my podcast guest is a guy called Surojit Chatterjee. He was chief product officer at Coinbase. He was leader of Google Ads, and he was chief product officer of Flipkart for many years. And he has started a company called Emma, which is basically replicating human employees. So he is creating an AI agent that replicate an human employee. So having these people in my office doing podcasts with me, it is only possible because I'm sitting here in Silicon Valley. So that's the biggest benefit of being in this area. Silicon Valley is expensive to live. It is super expensive to live. It is crazy expensive, but again, depends. What's your objective, right? I'm here to stay most updated in AI. Uh, like we are building AI agents and products. So being in this area, the overall it is super helpful. Okay. Guys, any feedback about this session that we can improve the next time, or if you like it, just give us a thumbs up in comments. That would be super helpful, and then we'll just wrap up. And I'm glad to see we have even more people than we started at the beginning. Amit sir, anything you want to cover before we wrap up for
Just
today's
wanted
session?
to remind everyone that next session, as you like demanded for, is coming on the stock market analysis. So we'll
Yeah,
be doing next Tuesday on stock market analysis. We'll be building a tool that can do real time stock market analysis of any stock, right? And a lot of exciting sessions coming up, guys. So you will love to learn. You will learn a lot of good things, right?
Dipti says how
And
much
not
code?
only learn, I will also say that you will be able to see that how people have made business out of it.
Yes, that is
That's
like live picture. You will be able to do that.
right. So it is very important to understand that when we see a product, right, let's say uh, any application, right, so sometimes we think that, oh, how it was built, like that the first question that will come to your mind, or how he is able to manage it, how he was able to integrate it, right? So I was also interested in this side, but now when we are exploring it more and learning every day, we are able to see that those applications can be built in just like 7 days. Trust me, it's not even 7 days is more. If somebody is working 8 9 hours in a day on a single tool with minimum effort, with the tools in your hand right now, end to end development can be done, right? And we will
Yep.
be teaching you a lot on those part also.
And guys, be a part of this movement, right? Please let us know what can be improved in this. Our objective will be to provide a very high quality education, you know. And yep, I look forward to meeting you in the next session. Amit, sir, anything else? Or we good?
No, thank you guys, thank you so much. See you in the
Thanks
next session.
everyone. Next Tuesday, Thursday, 9:30 a.m. Pacific time, 11 p.m. India time on the YouTube channel under live section. You don't need to think about, you don't need to ask about it. Just fix every Tuesday and Thursday. Okay?
And sorry about the today's technical problem. Most probably we'll sort it out. We need to go back to our old model.
Yeah. Okay. See you
Okay,
then. Bye.
thank you.